What happens when you sleep?
Asleep in the branches again.
It's time to know if your snoring is dangerous or just annoying. If you snore loudly and still feel tired after a full night's sleep, you might have sleep apnea. If you're snoring, you should definitely try this ShutEye app. It tracks your entire sleep cycle, rates how you sleep, monitors when and how you snore during your sleep. It's time to understand your health now.
チャンネル登録をお願いします。
それじゃね。バイバイ。